When was the moment you realized you wanted to be a realtor? I don't mean the evening when you sat down for the proctored test or the days of studying that came before. Maybe it was the face of a challenge when you doubled down and considered whether this career was worth the long hours and on-call status, or the first time a client told you, "You've made a difference in my life." I'm talking about the time during your career when you decided to be a realtor, the moment when you thought to yourself, "This is what I came here to do."
This year has been unique. We've dealt with the uncertainties of the pandemic with a drive that carried us to the bursting market of 2022. Our own Women's Council of Realtors grew and shaped into a stronger, more responsive team, adding new events to celebrate our achievements and delegating to a new board members ready to meet the needs of our professional communities. In 2021, we have experienced abundance. Our unknowns have transformed into opportunities as business flew through the doors faster than we could keep up with. As we reclaimed our social lives outside the house, we relearned our work-life balance. With blessings came new challenges. We've trained to regard success as innately positive. In reality, sometimes the challenges accompanying success feel like they could swallow us whole.
The challenges you faced this year were many, including unprecedented low inventory and volatile interest rates. The highs and lows of these challenges required being there for our clients with more empathy and patience than ever before. A fast-paced market like this one meant being available at the drop of a dime for showings, submitting last-minute offers, or reviewing sometimes dozens of offers on listings. By honing in on your skills, you're able to capitalize on your success in a big way.
This year, you showed us why you're realtors. We caught glimpses of your passion that time you stayed late at the office to help another realtor with a challenge of their own, or when you skipped a family event to squeeze in a last-minute showing before an offer deadline. You tuned into the drive behind your career and showed us the why you're a realtor. This group of agents leaned into their community, learning ways to work smarter, not harder. You set new standards in how we do business. You strengthened our industry, motivated one another to be better, and shared your drive, the deep why behind your chosen career.
The results of this dedication is incredible. You have created an industry of abundance through your efforts of commitment, altruism, and growth. In front of us sits a group of realtors and brokers who have proven their readiness to embrace the challenges and seize opportunities, lifting their teams and communities in the process. Congratulations to this remarkable group of top producers of 2021. Here is to 2022. Together, everyone achieves more.